Assalamualaikum to all. Thank you to the organizers at 9 International Conference on Education, Business, Islamic and Technology 2025 for this opportunity. My name is Sazanah Md Ali. Today I will be presenting our paper entitled Usability Testing of the Conference Alert CONLERT mobile application with artificial intelligence integration. This study focused on the usability testing of the CONLERT, a mobile application designed to help academicians and researchers receive timely and relevant conference information using AI-assisted features. And we are from Faculty of Multimedia, Creative and Computing, Universiti Islam Selangor. For the introduction, academic events such as conference, seminars, workshops, and symposiums play an important role in higher education. They serve a key platform for knowledge sharing, academic discussion, and professional networking among researchers and educators. However, as the number of academic events continues to increase each year, scattered across multiple platforms, including websites, emails, and social media, this situation makes it difficult for academicians to track updated and relevant event information efficiently, especially within the limited time frame. So to address this challenge, our study focused on the design and development of a mobile application called CONLERT or Conference Alert. CONLERT actually is designed as a one-stop platform that centralizes academic event information in a single mobile application. And then the application integrates AI-based notification to ensure users receive relevant and personalized alerts based on their academic interests. And then the study builds on earlier user requirement analysis. We have done requirement analysis ensuring that the proposed design meets the needs and expectation of the targeted group. For the literature review, previous studies describe academic gatherings such as important initiative for sharing information, encouraging collaboration, and supporting scholarly interaction within specific disciplines. And these gatherings include conference, seminar, workshop, innovation, competition, symposium, academic summits, and others. And then among these conferences are the most common and impactful as they bring together researchers, scholars, practitioners, and students to present findings, exchange the ideas, discuss current trends and development in their respective field. And this highlight the importance of effective platforms that can support access to the conference information and participation within the academic community. Previous studies also have shown that real-time academic notification system can significantly increase participation in academic activities such as seminar and scholarly talks. Research also indicates that personalized notification based on user interests are more effective than general or non-targeted notifications. Or in addition, studies on AI integrated mobile applications highlight that artificial intelligence can deliver more relevant and timely notification, improve users' engagement, and these findings support that the use of AI-driven personalized alert system to enhance academic participation, which directly informs that the design of the CONLERT application. Methodology, this study adopts the design and development research (DDR) approach, and then the DDR focus on the systematic design, development, and evaluation of a product. We produce product, mobile CONLERT apps. Okay, in this research, the DDR framework consists of three main phases. First one, the DDR phase one is need analysis, and then phase two, design and development, and phase three, evaluation. At the current stage, the study is in phase two. We are in phase two, which involves the development of the prototype of CONLERT. The needs analysis phase was completed earlier through a separate research project funded by UIS grant in last 2023. For the study sample, for the usability testing, this study followed the guideline proposed by Nielsen, a well-known usability expert, and according to him, testing with five users actually, five to 10 users is sufficient to identify most major usability issues, typically between 80 to 90%. And beyond this number, additional user feedback often becomes repetitive, a phenomenon known as data saturation. Therefore, this sample size is considered appropriate and effective for identify usability problems in the CONLERT mobile application. So for the study, participants were selected based on specific criteria. They included individuals who have experience attending academic events, familiar with mobile applications, and able to provide constructive feedback on the prototype. In total, 10 respondents participated in this study, and these participants consist of lecturers, postgraduate students, researchers, event organizers, and web developer. And this group was chosen because they are actively involved in academic events such as conference, seminar, workshop, and so on, and making them the primary targeted users to the CONLERT application. For the instrument, the usability testing or usability evaluation in this study use a questionnaire as the main research instrument. Specifically, the System Usability Scale or SUS developed by Brooke was applied to measure the usability of the CONLERT application from the user's perspective. And SUS was selected because it is simple, standardized, and widely used in usability studies. And the questionnaire actually consists of 10 statements rated using a 5-point Likert scale ranging from strong disagree to strongly disagree to strongly agree. And then I would like to explain the prototype development process for the system design. This slide presents the system design of the CONLERT of mobile application, which is the application is built using a client-server architecture which supports real-time communication and provides a scalable structure suitable for mobile platforms. Communication between the client and the server is handled through RESTful API, allowing the system to remain modular, flexible, and stable. In addition, CONLERT integrates AI-based modules that use content-based and collaborative filtering. This AI mechanism analyzes user interaction data to generate personalized event recommendation, improving the relevance of conference alerts for each alert. For the UI UX design, the design is based on the user-centered design approach, which emphasizes usability, clarity, and efficiency for academic users. And the user interface is kept simple and consistent with initiative, navigation, clear icons, clean cut-based layout to improve readability and professionalism. From the user experience perspective, the design focus on smooth interaction flow and reduce cognitive load, and features such as responsive layouts, visual feedback, and AI-powered personalized content help to users search for the better layout. For the database design, the system use Firebase real-time database to support real-time updates and efficient data management. And the database is structured around four main entities: users, events, notification, and AI records. This entitled store key information such as user profiles, event details, notification histories, and AI interaction data, and the relationship between these entities enable personalized event recommendation while maintaining data consistently and integrity, which supports the overall performance and scalability of the application. This is the flowchart. The flowchart illustrates the main user process starting from when a user opens the application until they receive event information or notification. And then the process begins with user registration or login, followed by profile setup. After that, users are directed to the homepage where they can view all conference and academic events, and events or manage their sessions. And this flow ensures a simple, logical, and efficient user journey, supporting quick access to relevant academic event information. This is the use case diagram. The diagram is used to identify the main actors and the function that can access within the system. In CONLERT, there are two primary actors, the user, who is the conference participant, and the administrator, who act the event organizer. Okay, and then users can perform activities such as sign up, log in, searching for events, receive notification, and obtaining AI-generated event recommendation. Administrator, on the other hand, are responsible for adding, updating, verifying, and managing event information. Overall, the use case diagram helps clarify the interaction between users and system function, supporting effective module development. This is the activity diagram, and the activity diagram illustrates the detailed workflow of user action within the system. The process starts when a user opens the application, sign in or register, followed by profile setup. Once the homepage, users can choose different actions such as viewing events, adding new events, responding to notification. When a notification is received, users can directly access the relevant event details, while other action eventually return the user to the homepage. And overall, this diagram demonstrates a logical, efficient, and user-friendly workflow that supports smooth interaction with the application. The development environment, tools and technologies. The environment of the development includes the combination of software, programming language, supporting technologies involved throughout the development process. Okay, selecting an appropriate environment is important because it affects the efficiency, flexibility, and overall performance of the application. For CONLERT, a cross-platform development approach was adopted to ensure compatibility across multiple mobile devices while also reducing development costs and time. Several key tools and technologies were integrated support the development apa, of the CONLERT application. Several key and technologies. As mentioned earlier, the development environment includes the combination of software, platforms, programming frameworks, and supporting technologies used throughout the project. So, several tools were selected to support across platform. Android Studio used as the main development environment. React Native was adopted to enable cross-platform mobile development. Firebase supports a real-time database operation and user authentication. For AI-assisted data extraction, Browse AI was used, while a table function as a structured data repository, and finally Zapier was employed to automate workflows between different services, improving efficiency in managing event data and notification. This is the application interface development for front end. On the left, you can see the login screen, which allows user to securely access the application using their credentials. The design is kept simple to ensure quick and easy access, and the middle screen shows the dashboard interface. where user can view their selected academics interests and receive AI-based recommendation tailored to those interests. On the right, the event list interface display categorize academic events such as conference, seminar, workshop, and academic discourse. And overall, the front end design focus on clarity, ease of navigation, and usability, ensuring that users can efficiently explore and manage academic event information within the CONLERT. This is the application interface development backend and backend designed to support the data extraction, to support the data extraction, processing, storage, and notification delivery in an integrated workflow. The first browse AI function as an AI agent to automatically extract academic event data from external sources. And then the extracted data is stored and organized in a table, which act as a structured intermediate database. And then Zapier is then used to automate data synchronization between a table and Firebase, ensuring real-time updates. Firebase authentication manage user login and registration, while Firebase Fire stores event data and user related information. And then finally, Firebase Cloud Messaging is responsible for delivering real-time notification to users based on relevant. And now this is analysis and result for the usability testing. Okay, a total of 10 respondents participate in the study, as I mentioned earlier. The sample consists of academicians, event organizers, system developers, postgraduate students, each representing about 30% of the respondent, while postgraduate student represent 10%. Okay, this respondent composition was intentionally selected to ensure representation from different user groups who most likely to use, manage, or support to the CONLERT application. Such diversity provides a balanced perspective on the usability and functionality of the system. These slides presents the usability testing results based on the SUS system usability scale, and the individual SUS score from 67 0.5 to 97.5, indicating a generally positive user perception of the application. And the overall mean SUS score actually obtained for the CONLERT application is 84, which is a median score of 82.5. And according to SUS interpretation guidelines, a score above 80 is considered excellent and reflects high usability and user satisfaction. And these results indicate that the CONLERT prototype is easy to use, well accepted by users, and suitable for practical implementation in academic environment. And then this slide explains how the system usability scale or SUS is calculated. Okay, the SUS instrument consists of 10 statements measured using a 5 Likert scale with alternating positive and negative items. Okay, each response is first adjusted according to the SUS scoring rules, and the total adjust score uh, is in the multiple by 2.5. Okay, they multiple by 2.5, and this calculation produce a final SUS score ranging from 0 to 100, which represent the overall usability level of the system. And this standardized method allows for consistent and reliable usability evaluation across two different systems. For the discussion and conclusion, to conclude, this study found that the CONLERT apps achieve a high usability score, which is 84, categorized as excellent, and the result indicates a high level of user satisfaction and aligns with previous studies suggesting that system scoring above 80 demonstrate optimal usability. The findings also show that the design of the CONLERT successfully follows user-centered design principles, prioritizing user needs, clarity, and ease of use. And overall, the application have proven to be user-friendly, effective, and enjoyable to use, making it suitable for supporting academic in managing accessing information for academician. So, in conclusion, I think CONLERT application has achieved the objective of this study. Okay, the findings demonstrate that CONLERT is an efficient and user-friendly mobile application prototype with strong potential for widespread widespread adoption in academic environments. The study also confirms that a usability-based design approach is both relevant and effective in developing academic systems that are inclusive, responsive, and sustainable. Looking ahead, CONLERT has significant potential to be further enhanced into a more intelligent system through deeper integration of AI and data analytics. Such enhancements can strengthen the role of mobile application and improving the efficiency, engagement, and accessibility of academic information in the future. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to further information about this study, please feel free to contact us using the details provide emails. Thank you again.